I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to record voice memos on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step one is to open the Voice Memo app. So I'm going to swipe down and I'm going to search voice and open the Voice Memo app. And this is what you're normally going to see. You're probably not going to have any recordings here yet, but in order to record, all you have to do is press the record button right there at the bottom. And it's typically going to show the address of where you are in this title bar right here. When you're finished, you can tap the stop icon and it will save your voice recording. And then you can double tap or single tap on the title and rename it to whatever you would like. And I'm going to name it to test and then press return. And now it is newly named. You can also do a few different things with this. You can tap on the blue icon next to the audio clip and it will open up an editor where you can trim this if you wanted to move around. You can go through this and listen to it. If you tap the little sliders on the top left, you can then adjust the playback speed, skip the silence, you can enhance the recording. If you touch the three dots on the top right, you can trim the selection to be a certain length, and you can basically either click trim and it will keep that section, or you can click delete and it will delete that section. Once you're ready and finished, you can click apply, and if you're done, press done. And you can just save the recording, or you can save it as new if you'd like.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.